Welcome to English Power Hours Grammar Lessons. Today, we are going to learn the present perfect continuous tense, which is also known as the present perfect progressive tense. Here, you will learn the grammar and how to use the tense. At the end of the lesson, there will be some exercises for you to practice your newly learned grammar to use. Feel free to pause the video at any time or replay the video. Enjoy your lesson. How to use the present perfect continuous. Unfinished actions. Number 1. To say how long unfinished actions which started in the past and continue to the present. We often use this with for and since. For example, I've been living in London for 8 years. She's been working here since 2004. We've been waiting for the bus for hours. This use is very similar to how we use the present perfect simple. And often it's possible to use either tense. Remember, with stative verbs, we cannot use the present perfect continuous. For example, I've been here 4 hours, not I've been being here for hours. Number 2. For temporary habits or situations. The action started in the past and continues to the present, in the same way as with use in number 1. But we don't answer the questions about how long so clearly. Instead, we use a word like recently. For example, I've been going to the gym a lot recently. They've been living with his mother while they look for a house. I've been reading a lot recently. This is very similar to the use of the present continuous for temporary habits, and often either tense is possible. Finished actions. Number 3. The present perfect simple has a very similar use, which focuses on the result of the action, whereas the present perfect continuous focuses on the action itself. For example, I've been reading the book you recommended. I'm enjoying it, but I'm not finished. I've read the book you recommended. I finished it so we can talk about it. How to form the present perfect continuous tense. How well do you know the present perfect continuous tense? This tense is not a very common tense, and often it's not taught in classes or English lessons. But we do use it sometimes, and it's very good to understand how to make it and use it, and also to recognize when other people use it. Fortunately, it is very simple to make and learn. Here is the positive. It's the present perfect of be plus verb plus ing. For example, positive. I have been walking. You have been running. He has been swimming. She has been cooking. It has been snowing. We have been sleeping. They have been studying. Positive present perfect continuous contraction, short form. I've been walking. You've been running. He's been swimming. She's been cooking. It's been snowing. We've been sleeping. They've been studying. To make the negative, just add not. For example, negative. I have not been walking. You have not been running. He has not been swimming. She has not been cooking. It has not been snowing. We have not been sleeping. They have not been studying. Negative present perfect continuous contraction, short form. I haven't been walking. You haven't been running. He hasn't been swimming. She hasn't been cooking. It hasn't been snowing. We haven't been sleeping. They haven't been studying. Can you guess how to make the question form from the present perfect continuous? It's simple. Just put have or has before the subject. For example, yes or no questions. Have I been walking? Have you been running? Has he been swimming? Has she been cooking? Has it been snowing? Have we been sleeping? Have they been studying? For WH questions, put the question word first. For example, WH questions. What have I been doing? Where have you been running? What has he been studying? Why has she been working today? How long has it been snowing? How long have we been watching this film? How long have they been living here? Let's practice with some exercises in the present perfect continuous tense. Click on the exercise link and answer the questions. Good luck! Need more practice with other grammar tenses? Get more grammar lessons with our online courses by clicking on the following link. See you in the next lesson.